How to start a chat on Intercom. So first go to Intercom, and then what you need to do here is just first you need to add your contacts. So just click on contacts here, and then just click on new users here at the top right, and then click on create new user. Okay, now from here you just need to fill in all of the details and then create a user. Okay, so after let's say I'm done adding all of the contacts, what you need to do next is just click on your inbox here. Okay, now we're going to start a chat. So to start a chat, what you need to do is just click on the plus icon here, then click on conversation. Now from here you just need to type in the email or the name of the contact that you've already added to your Intercom, and then what you need to do next is if you want to add a subject, you can do that, and then type in the body of your chat. So let's say I'm going to chat this one, Messenger, click on it, and then I'm just going to chat test, then click on send. As you can see, now I've just chatted Messenger. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.